In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notifications to your WP travel engine. Whether you're running a travel blog or managing travel bookings, keeping your users informed with timely notifications can greatly enhance their experience. Let's dive right in and start setting up notifications. First, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center where you manage all aspects of your WordPress site. If you're not familiar with how to do this, your login URL is usually something like your domain com.com/wpadmin. Enter your credentials and you're in. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to your WP Travel Engine plugin. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll see a menu. Hover over WP Travel Engine and a submenu will appear. From there, select the Settings option. Once you're in the settings, look for the Emails Notifications tab. This is where you'll manage all your notification settings. Within this section, it's time to decide what type of notification you want to add. You might see options like booking confirmation, admin notification, and payment receipt. Let's start with booking confirmation. This type of notification is essential as it confirms to your users that their booking has successfully gone through. Next, you might want to set up admin notifications. This would keep the admin informed about new bookings or certain actions taken by users, which is critical for managing your site effectively. Similarly, consider adding payment receipt notifications. These confirm that transactions have been completed, putting your users' minds at ease. After choosing the notification type, you'll need to either add a new notification or edit an existing one. If adding a new one, look for an Add New Notification button. If you're editing, simply select the notification and make your changes. Now, let's configure the notification. Start with the subject line. This is the first thing your users will see, so make it clear and relevant to the content of the notification. Next, edit the message body. Personalize it using placeholders like trip name, customer name, or booking amount. This makes your notifications more engaging and relevant to the recipient. Don't forget to specify your recipients. You can choose to send these notifications to the admin, customer, or both. This is crucial for ensuring that all necessary parties are kept informed. Finally, save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button and click it to ensure everything you've configured is good to go. If you want to make sure your notifications look right and are being sent correctly, there's an option to send a test notification. This step is optional but highly recommended to ensure everything is working as expected. And that's it. By following these steps, you have successfully set up notifications for your WP Travel Engine. Notifications are a crucial part of user communication, and having them set up correctly can greatly improve the user experience on your site. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.